Welcome to the Coquitlam market update. And through these updates, just want to keep everybody informed and educated about the movements. So let's dive into seeing where and what has happened in the month of March for Coquitlam. So here's actually what's truly happening. Coquitlam markets have three products, which is detached, condos, and townhouses, and all of them are behaving differently. Sometimes talking to clients, they may have a one blanket explanation of the market, but if we dive in deeper, you will get a lot more information because they're all working differently. Let's start with the detached property. The detached homes, the benchmark price is sitting around $1.62 million, and that's down 9 to 10% year over year. Sales are slightly up, but homes are taking much longer to sell. We have gone from about 20 days on the market to over 35 days on the market. What does it mean for detached? So buyers have time again because we have more inventory, less confident buyers, and sellers who are not pricing it strategically will be sitting on the product for a lot longer. Detached right now is not weak, it's just more selective. Let's talk about the condos. Condos have a higher inventory and it continues to have a rising inventory month over month. Sales are down 14% and prices have dropped close to 9% year over year. And properties are sitting longer. This is one of the softest part of the Coquitlam market right now, which means if you are a first-time buyer, this is where your leverage is, but only if you know how to negotiate properties in the condo sector properly. Let's talk about townhouses. Townhouses are a completely different story. Even with sales down, the sales to active ratio is sitting around 22%. That's a really healthy number because that's almost saying that townhouses is in the seller's market territory. What does that mean in terms of interpretation? So despite everything slowing down in condos and detached, demand is still strong here, especially for families who need space but aren't ready for the detached pricing. This is the most stable segment right now in the Coquitlam market for townhouses. Now let's go a little bit deeper and see what more information I'm able to share here, because this is where the strategy is actually matters. Certain neighborhoods in Coquitlam have actually bought out more buying opportunity because there has been harder or higher price correction. Let's take Westwood Plateau, for example. Prices in Westwood Plateau have dropped over 20% year over year. That's just not a small adjustment. That's almost a repositioning opportunity. So what does this all overall means? If you're a first-time home buyer, this is one of the best windows you have had in years to enter the market through condos. If you're a young family or planning to upsize, townhouses are still competitive and there are openings if you move strategically. And if you're looking at detached, this is one of the great long-term value because over time, as the market rebounds, single family will actually be the one that appreciates the most. If you have a plan and you want to understand within this market how your plan should move, book your strategy call and I will map out your plan step by step. Until my next video, have a fantastic day.